Behind the line. Behind the line, Maya. Behind the line. Let her go. Tell her to go find it. Syra.
We're going to teach Myra how to do this right.
Syra. Syra. She doesn't have any recall.
Because the tunnel is kind of hard to see for them, you're going to get down at your dog's level. And you're going to hold them like this. And you're going to kind of get them focused to the mouth. And you're going to give them a command like, get the rat. And you don't want them really pumped up because then they'll start running all over the place. You want them to be focused on that. So, you release your dog. Get the rat. And you hold the big rat.
That's all right.
Just in case she comes out. There's obstacles in here she has to fall through. Okay, she's here. Stay there. Yeah, I just put no time.
Yeah, that's fine.
But we're going to let her work her full minute. Get your dog out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. You're going to come over here. Now your dog is still working. She's going to work out. And you're going to slide your hand behind her rump so she can't back up. And while she's actively working, you are going to lift her out.
Oh,
You
good
don't
job,
want to
Maya.
scruff them, because some dogs take that as a punishment. So you want to put your arms underneath their stomach,